I know I'm not the only homeowner out there that sometimes forgets to lock their doors. The harsh reality is there are bad people out there who want what's yours and are not afraid to walk right in and take it. Or even worse, harm your family. That's why I bought the Hawk & Ox door alarm to feel more safe in my own home. It alerts me whenever the door opens, which can quicken my response time so I can get my family to safety if need be. The sound is even loud enough to scare off intruders or alert my neighbors to call the police. I sleep so much better at night knowing that I will never be caught off guard by someone with ill intentions. So protect your family and keep your home safe with the Hawk & Ox door alarm.